My name is Owen and I'm a YouTube marketing coach. I help 6 and 7-figure entrepreneurs launch a YouTube channel that generates clients, gets them big views, and ultimately changes the world. We have a lot of experience with organic YouTube and social media, but we really wanted to take this year and go the distance, reach brand new audiences, and we saw YouTube ads as the best way to do that. But it's confusing, right? There's all sorts of data you need to know, there's tracking, and there's things that we're just not experts in. So we wanted to look for somebody who was absolutely crushing the YouTube ad space, and that's how I found Jake Larson. The Incubator was a breath of fresh air. Not only was Jake there to lead the way, but his entire team was there to support everyone who attended. The content was great and I learned a lot, but what I ultimately loved is that I'm walking out with 3 different ads that have been professionally scripted and recorded. So I'm not leaving with a ton of homework here. I'm actually leaving with a product that will generate revenue for me today, and that's exactly what I wanted to get out of it. So when you get registered, come prepared to work and to network with other professionals that want the same thing that you want, which is a high return on your ad spend. I am so excited to leave here and to get this ad up and generating revenue for us, but I'm even more excited about doing YouTube ads as a regular form of business revenue. It's gonna save me time from all the prospecting that we're doing, all the other high expense, low return marketing that we're doing. I feel very confident in YouTube ads. I feel like I can run them, and I feel like if I ever need support, you've got the Video Power Marketing team here that will answer questions and be available for you. So I feel very empowered. I feel like this was a great use of my money, and I feel like I'm gonna stomp on my competition like pretty bad. I would recommend the YouTube Ads Incubator to any business professional that has a service-based business that is tired of scrambling around for leads. The type of return that you're gonna get from a YouTube ad greatly outweighs the time you're spending in sort of go nowhere marketing conversations, buy me a coffee sort of lunch and learns. It's just not worth your time. We want to scale and we want to scale big. And if you have the same desires, you should enroll in the YouTube Ads Incubator.